Hi, just an update for today. If you have fibroids, you'll understand how challenging everyday life can become sometimes. Yesterday it was cold in my bones. I really struggled, and coldness can also be another symptom of being anemic. And today I ended up working from home, just to allow my body to rest and recover. A lot of people don't realize how much fibroids can affect your daily life, um, physically, mentally. Yeah, it's very challenging. It's not easy. Symptoms sometimes can be something else. And for some people, symptoms can become so severe that it impacts normal activities and quality of life. So I am just taking it one step at a time. And remember, fibroids are not just a condition, it's a journey. My journey, a very challenging one. And I also want to say, whatever you're going through right now, whether it's mentally, physically, whatever it is, don't give up. Keep going. Don't lose hope. Yeah, I hope things will get better for you, for us. You have a good week. Thank you.